I wanted to share with all of you, if you're wanting to start a business online, you must have the equipment to do it. Uh, you have to get yourself a computer. You have to have dedication too as well. And make sure you write down all your goals, what your plans are. If you want to succeed or be successful in life, you have to have a vision. You got to know your what you are and what you know and what you need to do. Okay, sell yourself is the most important thing to do, and it takes dedication and hard work to do that. So it is a skill that you have to develop. All right, so let me share with you what I'm doing right now. Okay, now I am uploading a video on YouTube, and this is in my manage area where I have uploaded my videos. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down. No, it's not made for kids. Make sure that's selected. And here is where you're going to put your tags. So I'm going to take out that tag because I was making this video on the phone. I'm going to take this right here and copy it, and I'm going to paste it right here. So you always want to have your title in your description too as well, and put it in your tags too. So that's what I usually do. And you can write down here, this video is about Amazon, so just write Amazon. And you can choose any selection. So let's put buying on Amazon. Right here, buying on Amazon. Okay. Let's see. You can put online shopping because that's what you're doing. And what else am I talking about in the video? Amazon products. Amazon products. Amazon products review. I don't know what happened there. It is not. Let me just save it. All right, so we're going to add more. Amazon products review. Amazon Prime. I am a member of Amazon Prime. Okay, and then I can keep adding on and adding on. Just make sure that this part needs to be, the SEO score must be 50. All right, or 41, 42 is good, but 50 is good. All right, so I have to add more tags, and I can do that later. It's in English. Always allowed comments. All right, so I'm going to save it. All right. And I think the video's done, so let me go back to my channel content. All right, so this channel is monetized. So if I want to turn on the monetization, you hit this button, you click next, and then you gotta read this. Does it contain inappropriate language, adult content, violence, shocking content, harmful acts, and unreliable claims, recreational drugs, content, hateful, and it goes on and on and on, firearms, and so it's none of above. So I'm going to click that, and it's safe for ads, so we're going to hit that it is safe for ads. So submit, and it is on, and it's checking. Now I don't have any music. No, it's not restricted. So go back to the dashboard. As you can see, this is uploaded, and as you can see, I had a warning here, but I took the training, so in February this is going to be taken off, which I'm going to be so happy. I won't have a warning anymore because I took the training, and they told me I have to wait till February. So let me go to my channel. It's a touch screen too, so I can just touch it. And well, hi everyone, I'm Laudiaann. And so here I am right there. And I kind of like that because I actually wanted just to share the Ventini CD player that I purchased yesterday. So I hope you all like this video, and keep posting every day as I grow my business online. Thank you all for watching. Ciao.